Welcome everybody, welcome to the video. We got a little special one for you guys here today. We got these two big maple trees. This one right here you want us to clean up by its carport. This one here we got a couple dead branches, plus we got to clean the neighbor's house. And we're going to take that one out right there. So we're going to bring you guys along with us today. You guys enjoy this. Also this one here we're going to cut the branch at the bottom. Yeah, I got a big dead branch here. See all the mushrooms growing on it? All right, you guys come along with us. All right, you can see he's got it all done there, so the house has all been cleared away. And we did that second part. I'll go show you over here. Oh, this part's done too. And we cut the dead branch that was in the middle there. See right there? Alright, the tree's already gone. For this video, hope you guys enjoyed that. We're just pulling into the shop Friday afternoon. Gonna get everything cleaned up. See all the apples on the ground over there? It's full of apples there. We did an apple tree this week and we picked them all up, give them to the deer. Hey Bub, so you guys don't forget to give me a thumbs up. We'll see you guys next one. Enjoy it. Time to go for a little ride in my little red car here. All right. See you guys next one. See you, lover.